Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. One of the main struggles of a small bathroom is the lack of storage. You can minimize, sure, but there are always a few things you will definitely need in your bathroom. Towel, makeup, toothpaste, etc. And where do you put all that stuff? Some small bathrooms have very little or nothing in the way of storage in cabinets or closets, which is when enterprising small space dwellers turn to a less obvious storage spot, the wall. Here's the trick that's the elegant as it is practical, mounting a shelf to the wall underneath your bathroom mirror. Clutter is a common problem in the bathroom, with even the most sophisticated layout prone to accumulating the debris of personal effects. While most of us can't do without our precious toiletries, we can absolutely utilize the many stylish, savvy ways to store and display them. Bathroom shelves may not seem like a noteworthy ways to spruce up your washroom, but these shelving ideas prove that even the most unlikely spaces can benefit from some creative upkeep. From repurposed ladders to wall-mounted glass paneled cabinets, there are a number of clever, worthy ways to add some edge to your bathroom while eliminating cumbersome clutter. Reconfigured wire basket and wash tubs add instant utilitarian charm, while slab-style wooden shelves offer easy and eye-catching convenience, no matter the size and scale of your bathroom. There's something for every interior scheme. If your small bathroom has limited counter space, it's bound to get messy quickly. Shelves are easy to install almost anywhere in your bathroom and provide plenty of space to help cut down on clutter. You can even install a floating shelf for extra supplies like cotton swabs or toilet paper. Storage cells are a great solution for a small bathroom. Their cubby style storage allows you to store everything you need right there in your bathroom instead of a hall closet. Storage shelves are perfect for organizing and decluttering. Simply roll up your towels and layers them in a cubby style shelves or store your healthy and beauty products in easy to access drawers. Corner shelves are also a good option for small bathrooms, and they can add a nice decorative touch to large bathroom as well. V-shaped corner shelves fit perfectly in a corner and you can store anything you want on them as long as it is not too heavy. These shelves can hold decorative accent pieces too. They are also excellent for holding essential items such as toilet paper, towels, and other bathroom staples. Friends, if you are enjoying these design and ideas on modern bathroom storage ideas, then you should definitely consider to subscribe our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family. On Interior Decor Designs, our aim is to simplify and give ideas to our subscriber and make them aware of modern interior decoration. If you want more design ideas on interior and exterior designs, then you can check out our website interiordecordesigns.in and also our Android app to get the latest design ideas according to your choice. You will find all the link in the description box below, so do check them out. Also follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Telegram. Wall-mounted bathroom shelves come in many shapes and sizes. It is easy to customize and perfect wall-mounted shelves for your bathroom. Get one with just shelving and a cupboard door, or pick one that has a built-in mirror to help you get ready in the morning. Another option is to choose one with a lower towel rack. Everything you need will be stored within easy reach with these bathroom furnitures. If you are looking for freestanding bathroom shelves, you can have plenty of choices as well. You can choose from the bathroom furniture that stands in corner, sits parallel to the wall, or stand over the toilet. Freestanding shelves are terrific for both small and large bathrooms. They don't take up much room, especially one that stands over the toilet. You will free up floor space without losing the advantage of bathroom storage. These shelves are perfect for storing or displaying accent pieces and photographs. Use floating shelves to decorate your bathroom without taking up any needed room on your bathroom vanity. We all love bathroom shelving ideas. Old fruit crates were designed to hold heavy loads and, as such, are more than up to the task of acting as storage in the bathroom. Adding a cozy country vibe, use them stacked up in a corner for an impromptu shelving unit affixed to the wall as quickly as a shelf. Toilet tanks are known for attracting dust and items that never made it to the trash. Instead, create functional storage above the toilet for a space to display neatly folded towels or decorative lotions bottle. Organizational solutions like over the toilet storage racks can make your bathroom feel less cluttered without forcing anyone to change their habit. These racks come in a variety of sizes, shapes, and color so you can match them to your bathroom current style. If your small bathroom does not have enough space to hang shelves, decorative ladders can be a step in the right direction. A decorative ladder can fit in the corner of a small bathroom easily and look great with any decorating styles, especially in small, shabby, thick, or Scandinavian influenced bathrooms. Some ladders have wider shelves for storing and organizing, while other features rung for hanging towels, washcloths, magazines, or books. It's common to see baskets in small bathrooms for items like magazines, loose toiletries, or rolled up towels. Keep a basket near the toilet, under the sink, or in a closet to make use of tight space. Wicker and wire baskets are bathroom storage solutions that are always in style. If floor storage becomes a dust magnet that's difficult to move and clean, hang or mount it to your wall instead. Three-tiered hanging baskets are common in kitchens but are also good options for small bathrooms. You can also use a towel rack and S-hook to hang basket or items like lotion and hair products. If your small bathroom has limited cabinet space, it can be hard to keep it organized. Rather than relying on shelving inside, try using the cabinet door as an extra space saver. Self-adhesive hooks are lifesaver for adding space to your cabinets. Use them to hang small baskets to keep loose items or hot tools for safe storage. If you have cabinet without shelving, try adding a lazy Susan for easy access to hair, face, and hygiene products. This tool allows you to rotate through your collection without having a sort through your cabinet one item at a time. Shower caddies are classic storage solutions for small shower and bathroom alike. They are easy to install and provide enough space for shampoo, conditioner, and face and body wash. If your shower does not have the right shower head to accommodate one, you can find shelved storage that's meant for the corner of your shower space. For a children's bathroom, consider a bath toy net or storage bucket that's suction to the bathtub wall. Extra storage in your shower and throughout your small bathroom can cut down on clutter by giving every item a proper place. Bathroom shelving and storage need not be boring and simply practical. Make your bathroom toiletries a featured in your own right by displaying pretty soaps, fluffy towels, and fresh foliage on an aesthetically pleasing ladder shelving unit. Friends, hope you like this video, and for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click the bell icon so that you never miss any future updates whenever we upload a new video. For the latest and trending interior decoration designs, visit our website interiordecordesigns.in and check out the latest trend in interior decoration. You can also follow us on our social media profiles like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, and Pinterest for more design ideas. All the links are there in the description box below. If you want to take interior decoration design ideas in your pocket and on your smartphone, then you can download our app available on Play Store from the link in the description box below. With this, we finish this video here. We'll meet again soon in the next one. Till then, you can watch the video that is suggested to you according to your preferences.